Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with that last bit of stubborn fat that just won't seem to go away? No matter how hard you try. You know what I'm talking about, that little bit around the belly, the love handles, or on the thighs. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're redoing everything right but not seeing the results you want. Well, today we're going to dive into something that can make a huge difference: your diet. Specifically, we're going to talk about 6 amazing foods that can help you target and lose that stuff. But what if I told you that it's not always about eating less, but about eating smarter? It's about incorporating powerful, nutrient-dense foods that work with your body, not against it. These foods can help boost your metabolism, balance your hormones, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling full and satisfied, all of which are crucial for shedding that persistent fat. So, if you're ready to finally see a change and feel more confident in your own skin, stick around. We're about to unlock some simple but effective secrets. Let's kick things off with our first fat-fighting superhero: avocados. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Avocados, aren't they full of fat? And you're right, they are. But here's the key. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats. These healthy fats are incredible for your body. Studies have shown they can help reduce belly fat and improve insulin sensitivity. When your body is more sensitive to insulin, it's better at using carbohydrates for energy instead of storing them as fat. Plus, avocados are loaded with fiber and potassium. The fiber keeps you feeling full for longer, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. A single avocado can contain around 14 grams of fiber. This helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes and cravings. So, don't be afraid of the fat in avocados. Slicing half an avocado onto your whole wheat toast in the morning, or adding it to your salad at lunch, is a delicious and incredibly effective way to support your fat loss journey. Next up, we have a tiny but mighty food: chia seeds. These little seeds are an absolute powerhouse of nutrition. One of the main reasons they're so great for losing stubborn fat is their incredible fiber content. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack about 10 grams of fiber. When you mix them with liquid, like in a smoothie or with water, they form a gel-like substance in your stomach. This gel expands, making you feel full and satisfied, which helps to control your appetite and reduce your overall calorie intake without you even noticing. But that's not all. Chia seeds are also a fantastic source of plant-based protein and omega-3 fatty acids. The protein helps build and maintain lean muscle mass, and the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. The omega-3s are famous for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can actually make it harder for your body to lose weight, especially stubborn fat. So by reducing inflammation, you're creating a better internal environment for fat loss. Try adding a spoonful to your morning yogurt, oatmeal, or blending them into a smoothie. It's such an easy way to give your diet a major upgrade. Moving on to our third food, let's talk about something green and leafy: spinach. Popeye was definitely onto something. Leafy greens like spinach are incredibly low in calories, but exceptionally high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight loss. You can eat a large volume of spinach without racking up the calories, which helps you feel full and satisfied. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and magnesium. But here's the secret weapon of spinach when it comes to stubborn fat. It contains compounds called thylakoids. Research suggests that these thylakoids can help reduce cravings for unhealthy foods and snacks by promoting the release of satiety hormones. Essentially, they help you feel fuller for longer and reduce the hedonic hunger that's the desire to eat for pleasure rather than for actual hunger. So, adding a big handful of spinach to your eggs, blending it into a smoothie, you won't even taste it, or using it as a base for a hearty salad is a simple trick to curb your cravings and boost your fat loss efforts. Alright, let's talk about our fourth food, which is a fantastic source of protein: salmon. Fatty fish like salmon are celebrated for good reason. They are one of the best sources of high-quality protein and long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. The protein in salmon is incredibly satisfying. It takes longer to digest than carbs, which keeps you feeling full and reduces your overall calorie intake. A high-protein diet has also been shown to boost your metabolism because your body uses more energy to digest protein compared to fats or carbs. Now, let's circle back to those amazing omega-3s south. These healthy fats are superstars at fighting inflammation, which, as we know, can hinder fat loss. But more than that, some studies suggest that omega-3 south can directly help you lose body fat. They may help improve your body's ability to burn fat for fuel, and can even reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels are notoriously linked to increased storage of stubborn belly fat. So aiming for 2 servings of salmon or another fatty fish per week is a brilliant strategy to support your metabolism and shed that unwanted fat. Our 5th food is a warm and comforting spice, cinnamon. This humble spice that you probably have in your kitchen cabinet right now is a secret weapon for fat loss. Cinnamon is renowned for its ability to help control blood sugar levels. When you eat, particularly when you eat carbs, your blood sugar spikes. In response, your body releases insulin to shuttle that sugar into your cells. If this process isn't efficient, or if your blood sugar is constantly spiking and crashing, your body is more likely to store that excess sugar as fat. Cinnamon helps improve your insulin sensitivity, meaning your body needs less insulin to do its job. This leads to more stable blood sugar levels, fewer cravings for sugary treats, and less fat storage. It's a win-win-win. Plus, cinnamon has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that further support a healthy metabolism. It's so easy to incorporate into your diet. Sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal, add it to your coffee or tea, mix it into your yogurt, or even add a dash to a smoothie. A little bit goes a long way in helping your body manage sugar more effectively. Is green tea. Swapping your sugary coffee drinks for a cup of green tea can make a world of difference. Green tea is famous for its powerful antioxidants, particularly one called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. This compound has been shown in numerous studies to boost metabolism and enhance the body's fat-burning capabilities. EGCG can help inhibit an enzyme that breaks down the hormone norepinephrine. When this hormone is more available, it signals your body to break down more fat from your fat cells, releasing it into the bloodstream to be used for energy. Furthermore, green tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine, which works synergistically with EGCG to further increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. Some research even suggests that the effects are more pronounced when green tea is consumed before exercise, potentially helping you burn more fat during your workout. So, try starting your day with a warm cup of green tea or having one in the afternoon as a gentle pick-me-up. It's a simple, hydrating, and powerful habit to adopt on your journey to losing that stubborn fat. So there you have it, 6 incredible foods to help you finally lose that stubborn fat. Avocados, chia seeds, spinach, salmon, cinnamon, and green tea. The key takeaway here is that sustainable fat loss isn't about deprivation or extreme diets. It's about consumption. Incorporating these foods is a fantastic step, but it works best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle that includes regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and managing stress. Don't expect overnight results, but by making these small, consistent changes, you are setting your body up for long-term success. Start by picking 1 or 2 of these foods to add to your meals this week and see how you feel. It's all about making small, manageable changes that add up to big results over time. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to make some positive changes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And do you forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these foods are you excited to try first? Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.